Intel's Sales and Marketing Organization, also known as SMG, works with global customers and partners to solve critical business problems using Intel-based technology. Working across numerous industries, from retail to enterprise to government, the SMG team amplifies the customer's voice and delivers solutions that accelerate customers' businesses. While the operations team focuses on forecasting, driving alignment with factory production, and delivering efficiency tools, the marketing side drives demand and localized campaigns around the globe. The sales team navigates a complex partner-customer ecosystem and shapes product roadmaps to drive value for the customers. They also collaborate in harnessing emerging technology trends to deliver comprehensive solutions. Let's meet some members of the Intel SMG organization.
My name is Basha Borisevic. I work in Global Field Marketing. I am the Marketing Director of Asia Pacific and Japan Territory. So I lead marketing strategy, plan and execution. My charter covers all routes to market, consumer to enterprise and all business units.
Hi everyone, I'm Ben. I'm a Cloud Partner Sales Account Manager. I'm part of Scale Partner team in APJT and I'm based out of Sydney. As a Cloud Partner Sales Account Manager, aka Cloud PSAM, I'm responsible for managing a cloud-focused MSPs, SIs, and ISP in ANZ. And because I'm based out of Sydney, I'm covering the Australia and New Zealand territory. I'm the person who is taking care of the MSP or the partners or the resellers of these cloud providers, right? So that's how I play in this ecosystem.
I'm Sui Lin, and I'm the APAC Japan Business HR Director, and I lead the team in the Asia Pacific group. As part of my role, I work on diversity and inclusion, employee engagement, compensation and benefits, learning and development of employees and leaders, as well as talent attraction and talent retention.
Hi, my name is Melody. I'm the Business Development Manager for Malaysia, Singapore, and I work with the APJT Inside Sales team in Penang. My role in Intel is actually to cover the uncovered accounts and partners that we can work together. So I help them to enable technology and go to market with Intel.
I just feel really honoured that we work part of an amazing team, really smart and sharp people who are really passionate about what they do every day. And what I love about the role is that we get to create these amazing experiences for our customers and partners and see the impact on the revenue of the business. So no 2 days are ever the same. There's always something exciting, new happening. There's always a problem to solve, and it just makes the time really interesting that we have together. And yeah, I love the challenges.
I get to work with the smartest people in the world. In SMG, we strive to be the best team on planet Earth. And in HR, we strive to empower our people to power Intel. And with these two visions together, it makes it a very incredible, fundamental culture for us to work at Intel.
I remember very vividly I'm working with this partner based in Singapore who's actually creating a touchless solution, touchless solution kiosk that would enable people to check in into different retail outlets and to even get them to check in very effectively even without the need of touching different screens. So that was one of the projects that I was really keen on, and we are looking to expand and scale across different countries as well, and that is really, really exciting.
It was a global project which involved up-leveling our marketing activities and partnership with our external customers. And because it was a global team, it made up of team members from the US, China, Europe, as well as Asia Pacific. And we worked together very passionately, and we finished the project 6 months ahead of time. And this was made possible because of the commitment and the passion and the learning that we got along the way. It took a lot of courage, but it also showed us what we can do when we unleash the power of teamwork.
I think it's a unique opportunity to have a chance getting closer to our customers and partners. And you'll have a chance to look at innovative and creative ways to solve their needs and pain points.
So my advice for the people out there who is considering Intel SMG, be fearless, be brave, and be hungry. There's a lot of opportunities out there. Continue to learn from the partners and continue to learn from Intel. There's so many things that we can do out there to make the world a better place.
I would say that it's a life-changing decision, and to be ready, to be fueled by ambition and the faith in the power of technology to touch every person on this planet Earth and in every mode of life.
It's like coming home to your family.
This is pretty easy to answer. Working in Intel is definitely a really unique and dynamic experience.
So to describe the Intel experience in one sentence is definitely a life-changing experience.
The best days are in front of us, so bring on the passion to innovate with boldness and speed. A very rewarding career experience, fun, deep appreciation for the mentors, coaches, great managers, and overall a very fulfilling life.